This is the land of reptiles. The Perenti, 2 meters long, is the biggest here, and he's thirsty. It only rains here once or twice a year, and when there isn't any rain, Perentis get their water from eating lizards. There are several kinds to choose from. Bearded dragons, blue-tongued skinks, and thorny devils, all are on the menu. The thorny devil also gets its water from its food. It's only the size of a mouse, but even so, it must eat hundreds of ants every day to get what it needs. Most storm clouds pass by without releasing any water. But just sometimes, there's a brief shower. Everyone makes the most of the opportunity. It's so hot, the droplets will disappear within minutes. But the thorny devil has a trick. He's found a tiny puddle only a few millimeters deep, and he dips his toe into it. His skin is like blotting paper. It collects moisture by capillary action, sucking it up along the interconnecting grooves until he glistens all over. When the water reaches his mouth, he can collect it, while still keeping his head up on the lookout for danger. That was a bearded dragon that wasn't quite quick enough. Even the Perenti sometimes gets a chance to quench his thirst.